This is the armless accent chair made by Homary, Homary, a company based out of China. So it came in a box, pretty no instructions in the box, not even a picture of what this is supposed to look like in the box. But it came in two pieces, and in the box was these are the parts included in the box. This is two long bolts, two nuts, two washers, and one of these pieces, which basically I think is a spare for a stopper that goes on the leg, metal leg, and then a wrench. Now you'll notice when I said two pieces, I meant it comes this way, literally in two pieces, and that's all there is. And there's some holes here. Note that the holes go all the way through, and with the lack of instructions, that was what gave me the clue of what needs to be done. The long bolts both have a little bit of tape, or maybe even just a little bit of paper on one end, and my guess was that we take this end and stick it into the holes in the backrest, like so. And you screw it in until the paper or tape or whatever it is actually will prevent you from screwing it in any further. So I got it to go in almost, and it stops. You can just about still see a little bit of paper. Again, I'm only hand tightening this. Doing the same thing on the other side. If it's not going in properly, you just have not aligned the bolt to the nut or whatever it is inside. And now I'm going to assume that this part with a hole in line in relation to the zipper goes on the back towards the backrest of the chair. So let's try to do that. Alright, I have both the holes lined up. They go straight in. They should come out the bottom of the chair. Did it pretty easily, going to the bottom. And there you see the bolt sticking out. I'm going to use one of the washers and one of those nuts. So let's do it. Let me see if I can set up prop the phone up so I can use both my hands. Oh, perfect. So here we go. So I can get the flash on. No. All right. Just trying to get this in focus. It doesn't want to do it. All right. So the washer's in. I'm not going to tighten it all the way. Going to put the washer and the nut on the other screw as well. Let's see if I can get the focus on this one a little better. It's a little further away. Alright, let's see. Let's seems to be all there is to it. And I'm going to use the supplied wrench to tighten this a little bit. Again, I'm not going to tighten it too far, just a little more. I don't think I need to tighten it a whole lot. In fact, it's a little more than hand tight at this point. So the other one. Again, let's not go too far. I can do a little bit more tightening because I can still move it with my hands. I just want to take it to a point where when I try to tighten this with my finger and thumb, I can't anymore. I suspect if I tighten it too much, I'll break something. That's it. I'm done, folks. And we're done with the assembly. It's on nice and tight. The bolts and this little black backrest should give the chair or the backrest all the support and strength it needs to hold somebody's weight up. And we are done. Good luck.